Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need a clean, exported short first. Trim the clip to between 15 and 60 seconds and keep the subject centered so cropping won't ruin composition. Once done, export as MP4 with H.264 using a 9:16 frame ratio and reasonable bitrate. This prevents app recompression artifacts. Make sure the file has no YouTube watermark or burned-in link and that audio levels are punchy. Now save that file to your phone's gallery. We'll use it directly in the next app. Open your messaging app status composer and pick the exported short from your gallery. You can trim inside the app into one optional 1 to 30-second segment or upload the full clip depending on platform limits. Once selected, remove any automatic link preview or caption that would create a clickable URL. Instead, add context text describing the video so viewers know it's from YouTube. Adjust privacy to who should see the status. Tap post and watch the short appear as an inline video without a link. Confirm the status plays smoothly on another device and that there's no clickable link. This proves you uploaded the raw video rather than a shared URL. If the upload fails, reduce resolution or compress the file slightly and retry, because size or codec mismatches often block posting. If the app keeps auto-attaching a link, re-export the short with a minor re-encode so metadata changes and the platform treats it as a new local file. Finally, remind viewers in text where the short originated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.